Today is my last day in this room. I moved into this bedroom in my friend's apartment back in May because I knew that in order to stay and commit and ease into living out here that I'd want to live with a friend. My music video director, who I've known and used for my music videos for years, told me that he had an extra room and that he would be down to have me come stay with him till his lease was up end of July. I said okay. I came out here with a suitcase and that's it. I haven't gone home since. And I didn't expect that. I thought that this was kind of gonna be weird, living with a guy, living with someone I've worked with. I had no idea when I moved in this room that this room was gonna be the room of the summer, that I was gonna have all these memories in here. You guys know I'm so nostalgic. This room and this specific apartment is so special to me because it got me having a real everyday life out here. Last time I moved to LA was with my twin, then with my ex. This room was just mine and I lived in it by myself. This room changed the game for me. I'm getting a studio. When I had my own apartment in Pennsylvania, I had a 2-bedroom, okay? And all the times before that, I've had 2 bedrooms. Your girl has learned how to be very self-sufficient in a tiny room like this. I'm actually excited to have a studio because it's way bigger than this room. It's so much cheaper to get a studio. It feels, if anything, bigger than the 1-bedrooms in this building. I toured a lot of 1-bedrooms. I definitely didn't need a 2-bedroom. And they actually felt darker and smaller than the studio. I went with the studio and it has a little divider and everything. I'll show you guys. I am hiring a TaskRabbit to just move shit down the hall. All right, so yeah, look at this room. She's a mess. I also have shit that I haven't put away from the laundry. No use in putting them away in here. I'm just gonna walk down the hall with my laundry bin. We're just gonna start bringing shit over, and the TaskRabbit's gonna be here at 6. It's 3 o'clock, so me and my girlfriend have 3 hours to bring like my clothes and all that stuff over. So let's go. Welcome to my downsize of a closet. It's cool. I love the frosted glass. This is really sick, but I'm gonna have to have clothing racks and store some of my clothing in the laundry. I think it'll make it work. I'm gonna also have to do another closet clean out. Hey guys, we're gonna pause the moving vlog for a second. I am actually in the new apartment, but I don't want to show you guys what I've done with the place yet. You're gonna have to keep watching. But I did want to interrupt this part of the vlog. I just really wanted to show you guys things I bought. Moving into this studio apartment, I'm not gonna lie, it reminds me of when I moved into my first dorm in college. I'm really like on my own for the first time in life. It has really been giving going to college. It made me start thinking and realizing like a lot of you guys watching my channel are probably getting ready to go back to college or go back to school. It made me want to shop keeping in mind things that you guys would want to wear or replicate so that way you guys can wear it to school. Not only did I buy clothes, but I also bought stuff for the apartment that I can't wait to show you guys. I got some organization, some mini furniture pieces. I did go on Shein and I started looking around because they have everything from clothes to lifestyle stuff. I realized that they have like back to school stuff, dorm stuff, everything that you have an itch for this time of year, they have a huge selection for. So I shopped with that in mind. And if you guys like what you see, everything will literally be linked down below. Huge thank you to Shein for also sponsoring this video. Let me show you guys what I got. You can search Demar on Shein to shop my back to school picks and use my code SCHOOLDEMAR for 15% off the Shein site. Before we get into the clothing, I'm gonna show you guys the organization and fun pieces I got for my apartment. I bought this light. I used to be obsessed with my projector, like back in 2020. Pandemic vibes, I always had that thing going, but I definitely miss the vibes that that projector gave. I feel like my ambiance, my atmosphere genuinely affects my mental health. So if I'm laying in the pitch black, like that's gonna mess with me. I need like nice ambient lighting, I need warm lighting, and I found this light on Shein, guys. Oh my God, when I tell you the vibes that this has been setting, I like like keeping this on the warm orangey one. This light has changed my kitchen. Next, I finally got a makeup organizer and it spins. My ADHD is gonna love this. If you guys look at my makeup vanity area, because this apartment is small, I had to turn my desk into my vanity. It's a little cluttered on there. Another thing I have on there is my makeup bag. Because I travel so much, I've never actually settled in to like take out my brushes and stick them in an organizer. It's time. I'm really settling into this apartment, and when I was online, I saw this and I was like, oh my God, I want this. I love the aesthetic of this. It's very clean looking. The next thing I got is this organizer for the bathroom for all my skincare products. There's drawers for bobby pins, hair ties, scrunchies. This is gonna be a game changer because right now I got all my products just all around the sink. Now I also got this. I have a cute little pink industrial looking shoe rack. And guys, this has been so helpful. I don't have a walk-in closet. I feel like shoes are definitely things that pile up so far living in a studio. So this has changed the game for me. Okay, I got the goods. First and foremost, outfit number one that I would wear for this time of year would be a bubble skirt paired with a flat. This is very appropriate for school and is very on trend. So these are the two bubble skirts that I got. This is in white, this is in black. You guys know I love black and white. You can wear these so many different ways. The black skirt I would pair with a top like this. I would wear a shirt like this with it. It's very monochromatic, and I would wear this with some black flats. You can wear plain black flats. I specifically like these netted black flats. And then another variation of that outfit would be this white bubble skirt with this halter top. And then I would pair that outfit with these white flats, all also from Shein. And I like these flats specifically because they look very 80s. It almost looks like you thrifted these. The next look I'd wear and that I've been wearing is animal print. Animal print is having such a moment. It's so loud, it's so fun. So I would take a basic pant. These are regular rise pants in cheetah. I'd wear this with some comfy shoes or flats and then pair it with this black basic top. This top I specifically love because it's cinched on the sides, very flattering. The next outfit I'd wear is in the comfy territory. I don't care if I have to get naked to go to the bathroom wearing these. This is always the most flattering, the most easy to wear, and it looks like a fit, and it's just one piece of clothing. The one piece romper. This with a pair of flats is so cute, and I got this in white, cheetah, and obviously my favorite color to wear, black. Last but not least, this is the iconic Niki look. If you guys are in my day-to-day life, this is what you'll catch me in. A comfy black pant, stretchy. I love elastic. And then a plain white top. I love black and white, but I love this texture on this. In this kind of outfit, you can wear like black sunglasses, black slides, black purse, looks sophisticated. But this is literally the kind of outfit you'll catch me hanging around in 99% of the time. From must-have supplies to beauty essentials to fashionable outfits, Shein really does have a selection for everything if you're going back to school. All right, with all that being said, let's get back into the video. This looks like an entire separate room, but the bedroom's just divided from the living room. This is the coolest layout. I'm obsessed. I'm in a studio. I feel like I'm so used to moving by now. But man, I'm gonna miss this room. I know I'm trying to practice detachment, and I've moved enough times in the last 2 years that I should really be good with this, but I made such good memories in this room, and I think it's because I literally had no expectations at all. I came here and I remember being on the flight, really not sure of my decisions. Everything fell into place. Well, now you are.
That's a French fry behind you. That's so old. Is that a French fry?
I had no idea when I came to stay here, when you were like, you should live with me. I had no idea I was gonna like end up staying in LA. I really thought I was gonna go back home. And I was Airbnb hopping.
Oh yeah.
And then I think you saw my TikTok where I was fed the fuck up. Because I knew I wanted a roommate to at least adjust the first few months. Because I know me, I know I get overwhelmed. Just hearing someone else's presence was enough to get me to settle.
Well, I'm glad I had a small part.
You did. after a whole day of moving, we finally have my studio all set up. This is my room so far. I love the light up mirror. I love the vibes. The cool thing about my bedroom is it really is all white with a really fuzzy shaft, so it's really comfy and you can just change the ambient lighting. And this is the living room. For it being the first day after moving in, I think it looks pretty cozy and pretty lived in, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. And I officially moved into my studio apartment. I'm so excited for all the memories and videos to come. I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys. You can search Demar on Shein to shop my back to school picks and use my code SCHOOLDEMAR for 15% off the Shein site. So all the products are linked down below.
Let's go to Vegas. Book a one-way flight.